It's time for Supermarket Fix. Rah-rah ramen!
Yay! Rah-rah ramen!
All right, I'm gonna do one of my favorite dishes. I've been making this pot pie my whole life, and I used to make it all the time at the 21 Club, where I was chef there for a few years. It was our best seller, and to me, in the winter, a pot pie is just like magical, right? It's a beef stew but made with chicken. So, very simple recipe. We have first of all taken the ramen and blanched it. And for the children, I like to take, after it's blanched, scissors and just go right in there and cut it once or twice.
Love that. They have
Very
scissors
simple.
on the side of the table at every Korean noodle shop.
Seriously?
Just so you can do that.
Really?
Jeez.
Great idea.
And I have here just very simple. This is butter and flour. We're making a blonde roux, which means 3 or 4 minutes. We're just cooking it very slowly until we get the raw flour taste out of that. And we're gonna add a little cream and a little milk. And would you help me by chopping up these chives?
Absolutely.
Thank you. And we're just gonna get that to simmer. As you can see, it's starting to get silky and thicken right away. You see that? Right before your eyes. Then we're gonna add some chicken stock. And get that back to a boil. And I like to do it in this pan because it's a wide mouth wok pan. And it really works nicely. And we're just gonna add everything in here. Some beautiful diced roast chicken breast, some carrots, some peas.
It's a great little one-pot meal for kids, too. You've got veggies, you've got protein,
This
you've
is
got
a
the whole thing in there.
one-pot plan.
It's a one-pot
I
plan.
forgot all about this. Oh, my goodness. Don't forget salt and pepper. The foundation of life is really salt, I think. And then we're gonna just fold in the ramen. They're already cooked, so you don't have to recook them. All right?
I love this. This is gonna
really,
be
you'll see
texture
how
I've
nice this
never
is.
had in a chicken pot pie before.
So you see how nicely that's thickened up? That's just like a minute or two. Give it a quick boil. Katie, would you throw those chives in there for me?
Sure.
Okay. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna shut the heat off.
That looks great. I
We
just
have
go
here
with that.
just a store-bought pastry crust, okay? We're just gonna take our ramekins. This is about, what, a 3.5-inch ramekin? And we're just gonna take a scoop here. You put on the chives in there. Thank you.
No buttering
You
needed?
don't have to. There's plenty of love in there. It's not gonna stick, and if it sticks, it's even better.
All right.
Okay?
Word up, GZ. I love it when it sticks. It gets crusty in the corners.
Of course, that's what's half about. It's about caramel, you know? That's love. Caramel is love. And you want to top it off, right? Not too much. We got a little room for expansion. And then we take our crust. We just put it right on there. You can crimp it, but I don't really think it really needs it because it's gonna like sort of fall down anyways.
You don't need to put anything on it to stick? Just
Nope,
on
just
its
like
own?
this. No, and I'm gonna put just a touch of egg wash. You don't have to, but I like to do that.
Just a little egg and water to create some shine.
And what I like to do is put like a little pair of chopsticks in the top.
Of course.
All right, and just a few holes.
I call that curb appeal.
Curb appeal into a 425-degree oven for about 30 minutes.
Okay.
Are you ready?
You know it, GZ.
Who's gonna taste? You gonna taste, Sonny?
Yes, sir.
Look how nice
Oh, look how beautiful.
this is. Look how beautiful it is.
So cute.
Right, you get a spoon. Come on, I'm just gonna put that right in front of you. Just go dig right in there.
Instant ramen sales, yearly, $3.2 billion a year.
Billion?
Wow.
Billion, $3.2 billion a year. If
I'm in the wrong business. I need to be in the ramen business.
Start making ramen.
Billion.
Let me tell you something. This is good. It's the ramen. The texture in there is perfect.
And you can freeze it.
Yeah.
Put it right from the freezer right into the oven.
This is exactly what you expect. It's so good.
Ramen.